Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video. In this video we will explain all the details about this hotel, like location, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating reviews online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. Details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and packages, Let's talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Three categories of enjoy your stay. You are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will